Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Samuel Arrange. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell. So if you have subscribed, please like, comment and share. Okay, please like this video. Okay, so I want to show this some secrets here, how I got my WhatsApp bulk free. So you guys should stay close to me, and I want you to watch very well. I don't want you to skip any part because this video will not be long. So kindly watch and follow the steps. So thank you. I'll be deleting because of this tutorial. I'll be deleting my app I've already used before, the WhatsApp book I have here, because I will need to uninstall it and download it again. So you guys should watch as I do everything. So thank you very much. So I go to my WhatsApp book. This is my WhatsApp book. WhatsBulk Sender. So it's a activate premium. You see, it is $6. So I'm not buying anything here. So what I will need to do is, you see, I have some campaigns here. I will need to delete all this campaign because I want to show you how you will be doing it by yourself. So if you enjoy this video and this video gives you more value, please kindly subscribe. Okay, kindly subscribe. The only thank you can do for me, the only gift you can do for me is to subscribe to this channel, like and comment that I got value. Okay, I got value. So let's see how it goes. So let me go to my okay. So I want to uninstall it. So I'll be uninstall it now. You see, I want to uninstall it. Voila, I've uninstalled it. So let me go to my Play Store again and let me search for WhatsBulk Sender. To note, to the disclaimer, this video is for educational purpose, not downgrading any company or any app. Thank you very much. So I'm doing this for you guys. So I'm downloading. This is WhatsBulk Sender. You see, this is it. So let me download it. So it's downloading. So it remains there is 56% now. Though I'm skeptical about this video. I'm very skeptical because I don't know, maybe YouTube will bring it down. I don't know, but if it didn't bring it down before you watch it, that's good. But the video will also be on Telegram channel that will be in the description below. So you guys, before I continue, kindly subscribe to this channel, go to that comment section and type I got value, so you'll be able to get access in the Telegram channel that it will be on the description. The link will be there. So go to Telegram channel and you will need to download one more app to get this app for free. So you see, you can upgrade to premium version as one time in app purchase. This is 3,013 naira. This 3,013 naira, you are not paying for it. So you see what WhatsApp can do. They are telling you what it can do. Message delay, link preview. You can schedule your message. That's what they are telling you here. You see, Africa is support. So give it access. So for me, okay, let me find anyone to give. Let me serve it. So So I'm skeptical about it, but I know you will not take this one down. But just watch how I do everything here. So this is where the secret is. So you see what I'm doing here. So this app now, let me go to this app, and we have already installed it. So let me go to this app. So this is the app. You will be able to I will drop the link in the description below, and also it will also be in the comment section. So go to the Telegram, go and join the Telegram channel, and go and download this app there. The app will be there. So this is what you are doing. You see WhatsBulk Sender. You will click here. Do you see how I'm doing it? You go to app APK rebuild for in-app, and this one. So that is it. Leave everything there. So just press rebuild the app. So you are going to do this by yourself. You are going to do this by yourself, because as I was sending the app to those people that came to my DM for the app, requesting for the app was not installing on their phone, because I rebuilt it by myself on my own phone. So that's the reason why. So here you are getting it for free. So it is successfully rebuilt. So say go to the see what you know. You go see what you will click here. Don't click OK. Don't click browse. See what you are going to click. See, go to file. Okay, so go to the file. You say you click this one, uninstall and install. So let me click it. Say, do you really want to delete? What it's asking here, we need to delete the former app that we have already downloaded. The one that we rebuilt now is the one that we have already rebuilt. So the one that we rebuilt is the one that we now install, that we now be able to install on our phone. Okay, so let me press yes. So it have uninstalled the app and it's installing this one now. So it say install. Say launch. Can you see? You now see what I will doing. You see what I'll be doing now. So he said, you see, this is the first interface when we first download the app. So say next, submit. See what I'll be doing here. Activate premium. See, I'll be clicking it 2 times. You see, I'll be clicking it this place 2 times. By this thing, you click it 2 times. You see, I click it 2 times. You now minimize your phone. Delete. Close the app immediately. Okay, now go to this app again. I'll now click the launch app. Oh, sorry, this is the app, launch app. You see, the activate premium is not there again, so you can now use it for free. So if I want to send any message, you now ask me to oh, okay, let me give it access. Let's set that one up. So let me give it access. Where is it? WhatsBulk. Let me search for it. Okay, allow. So let me search for it. You see, all my campaign is not there again, so we need to be doing another one, extract another group before I can go, and I can even get it from my phone, so I can pick it from my phone. I don't need to do that because I don't want to do much editing on this video. So that's that for that. So if you have got one value, and you have seen the secret I just showed you now, just go down there, press I got value. Okay, press I got value. No, this thing I didn't learn it for free. I paid for it, and I'm giving you guys for free. So you guys should go there and subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and also share. So thank you. Let me just go back here, home. So you see, it's no activate there again, no activate premium here again. No, the activate is here, the is here, it's not there again. So you can now do anything. If you want to extract a group contact, you can. Let me give you this one too, notification. So let me allow it. Oh, okay. Say because an app. Okay. This screen record I'm using to it's because of the screen recorder I'm using. Okay, that's why it will work on your own phone perfectly, but because I am using this screen recorder, that's why it said an app is obscuring a permission request, so setting can verify your response, so it can't control it because it's a view and control. It can't control because I'm using record. I'm recording now. I'm screen recording this video. Okay, so I can't do that now. So if you do it on your phone, it will work perfectly. So, and the app will be posted on the description. The app will be posted on the Telegram channel, and you can also connect with me. The link will be there, and I can also share you the link on my DM. And if you have any question, you can come to my DM and ask the question. But please guys, remember to share also. Share it to your friend. Okay, so, and I have, in my next video, I'll be posting some free tutorial there. So once again, so guys, this is good extractor. I've put it on. Okay, so let me put it for auto. So if I just click on any group here, it will extract all their contacts. Okay, it will extract all their contacts. I don't want to extract any group contact here because I don't want to do more stress about this. In the previous video I've shown you secrets on how to do that, but what I just want to do again is just to show you that I've given it access, and that's how it works. It will redirect you to your WhatsApp. It works for WhatsApp business, as I have explained before. It works for WhatsApp normal, official WhatsApp too. So in my next video I'll be posting 5 legit websites that you can make money for free. So I've gotten the website around like 3 weeks ago, and I've been doing my research, so I see that those platforms are legit, very legit. So stay tuned guys. So kindly subscribe, share this video, and you can connect with me on WhatsApp. Just go to the comment section or go to the description below. You will see how to connect with me and how to join the Telegram group to download the app, second app you need to rebuild this app. So thank you very much. I love you guys. Bye.